Welcome to our video today, where we'll take you on a journey to explore the breathtaking beauty of the Swiss mountains at the Chedi Andermatt. This exclusive resort is a paradise for nature lovers, offering luxury accommodation and stunning views that will take your breath away. The Chedi Andermatt is situated in the heart of the Swiss Alps, surrounded by magnificent mountain peaks and valleys. The resort is a blend of traditional Swiss architecture and contemporary design, featuring elegant interiors and state-of-the-art amenities. The exterior of the Chedi Andermatt is a perfect example of Swiss architecture, with a dark wood facade and gabled roofs that blend seamlessly with the surrounding natural landscape. The interiors are equally impressive, with a fusion of alpine chic and Asian zen, creating a unique and luxurious ambience. Dining at the Chedi Andermatt is a culinary experience, with a choice of 6 restaurants and bars that offer a range of international cuisine and local specialties. The resort's signature restaurant, the Japanese restaurant, serves authentic Japanese cuisine, while the restaurant offers European-inspired cuisine using locally sourced ingredients. The Chedi Andermatt's award-winning spa and wellness center is a haven of relaxation and rejuvenation. The spa features a range of treatments inspired by Asian and alpine wellness traditions, as well as a 35-meter indoor pool, sauna, and steam rooms. The Chedi Andermatt is the perfect base for outdoor activities, including skiing, snowboarding, and snowshoeing in the winter, and hiking, mountain biking, and golfing in the summer. The resort offers a range of activities, including guided tours, ski lessons, and equipment rentals. That is the description of a small bump in luxury resorts near the Alpine mountains of Switzerland. Resorts are very sophisticated with the facilities available inside and the shapes of buildings that are very unique and fascinating. So schedule your vacation here. Thank you for watching the video from us to the end. Don't forget our likes and subscribe. See you in another exciting video on our channel Yakasana. Wonderful holiday greetings from our Yakasana.